Good morning. I think it's day 5. On our way to St. Martin. Yesterday was San Juan, and the Bacardi tour and mixology class was fun, but boy was it tiring and waiting for the ferry and just the logistics. So to get to where Bacardi is. But anyway, it's a new day, sunrise, not so good, too many clouds, but I do have my coffee. All the other early risers are up, taking a walk. Pool's not open yet. We're also not docked. Going to the beach today. So, making a great day where you are. I'm in the Caribbean city. Cheers. A morning swim. Salt. Water's warm. But we're in the Caribbean, and it is summer, and I still have my coffee. Can't drink the coffee in the pool. Time for a shower. We're not docked yet. Make a great day from the ship. I spy a duck. Somebody else has ducks. There's 3 people on board. You never know what you find. Somebody else is doing ducks. This one is 3D print. Because it says NCL, August 2024. Quack. Good morning. Just arriving in St. Martin. Philipsburg is our port in the Dutch side. The other side of the island is French side. Been here many times. We were supposed to do the yacht racing today, but they pulled the boats out of the water. So, that means we're going to the beach instead. I'm ready. I'm ready for the beach. So, make it a great day from St. Martin. Okay, we're in St. Martin. Looking for a taxi. But of course, you have to go through the shopping area, the quote duty free, but you know, they'll sell you anything. Oh, we got a band playing. At least it ain't raining. I dance, but you don't want to see me dance. Good morning from Orient Beach on the French side. Oh, the water is nice. The only thing is there's a lot of seagrass, but we seem to get rid of it. We got the perfect chairs, perfect umbrellas. The guy will bring us drinks. What more could you ask? I don't have to get up. You know why? Because I'm on vacation. Hey, here comes Jacques Cousteau. It's Jacques Cousteau. Hey, look, special guest star. Hey, I remember you from yesterday making drinks.
That was me.
Yeah. What are you gonna do?
I'm a mixologist, now I'm a beachologist.
A beachologist. Okay. Let me know what you see.
Okay.
Welcome to Orient Beach, St. Martin. The water is fine. The houses leading to here need some work. I'm not buying. And there goes Frank. See you, Frank. Bye.
I saw a little stingray.
Stingray?
About maybe that wide. About that long with its tail.
Sounds like a fishtail to me.
No, it didn't. He was on the bottom. He was just past where the
Wait, where's the stingray?
He was just past where the boat was on the bottom.
Joe's Garage is open on Orient Beach here in St. Martin, and guess what? I got myself a painkiller. Delicious. Pretty good. Nice beach, nice breeze. Water's great. not getting hassled by too many locals. But, you know, it is what it is. Beautiful day. Beach day. Joe's garage is open. Hey, Kevin, what are you doing?
This show?
Yeah, what are you drinking?
Painkillers.
Painkiller. Pretty good. Delicious.
You can get rid of this.
I'm on the island of Sint Martin on the French side. I was here about 9 years ago. It was Hank and Judy's anniversary, Judy's 70th. And look what I have here. Here's to you, Hank. Rest in peace. Crown Royal on the beach. Why not? Delicious. Cheers. It's damn hot. We're heading back to the ship. The beach was great. This is a mango mama. Delicious. Leaving St. Martin tomorrow, St. Thomas. Okay, it's time to say goodbye to St. Martin. Deck side. Get on the ship. St. Thomas tomorrow. I need a shower. Oh my God. Is it hot? But it's August, so what do you expect?